Welcome, folks. So, today we are going to talk about how to make money with crypto. I'll cover a very simple concept which you can apply to make great gains over time. The very simple concept that I'm going to cover is the concept of buying the dip. You buy when an asset is in a discount. In other words, when market has dropped a lot, there is blood in the street, that's when you actually go in and buy. For example, this is the chart of Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart. Bitcoin reached up here $110,000 almost on January 20th. Around end of January, it hit that much. And right now, it has dropped 32%. So that's a big drop for Bitcoin. It means right now it's a very nice area or price for you to buy. If you do not know how to buy Bitcoin, for example, and hold it, do self-custody or hold it on an exchange, I'll make some more videos down the road. But I'm trying to teach you guys how to get involved in this technology. It's a great technology. This is a blockchain technology. Um, Bitcoin was the first coin or project or an asset that was created. I'll do some more videos on that later, but for the purposes of this video, for you to get involved in the crypto market, you need to buy the dip, and this is a great time to buy the dip. I'll show you some more projects here. For example, Ethereum, which is the second largest project in the crypto world when it comes to market cap. So let me show you that one. The weekly chart of Ethereum, look at how much it has dropped. It went to a little over 4,100 end of last year, and right now it is trading at 1620. So look at the drop it has had, 66% drop. And this is a great project which you can pick up right now at these low prices. And the upside is at least this over the next few months, if not higher. It can definitely go all the way back to its all-time highs, which was close to $5,000 and even beyond, maybe to even $10,000 or $20,000. So these are just estimates and projections for the future, but these markets are designed to grow over time. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a little bit. So that's Ethereum. Let's talk about a few more projects in the crypto world, then I'll show you the stock market in a little bit. So let's look at Cardano. Here's another very good project in crypto. This one started out uh, very low at the bottom of the bear market. Notice it was close to 21 cents and it went up in this swing up during the pump. It went up all the way to this high, $1.32, and it has now dropped down by 61.5% or so, which means it's a very good discount. Great prices to accumulate some Cardano. Let me show you Solana. So Solana had a very good pump. It went all the way to $291. It took out its previous all-time high, which was around 257. It took that out, went up to 290 almost, and it has dropped since then. And it dropped almost 67%, a huge drop. And it's trading around 129 right now. So very good deal, very good prices to get into Solana. It's a great project, very solid tech. Just like Cardano. Cardano is a very solid technology as well. Uh, so if those of you who don't know, Bitcoin was the first one, and then later on Ethereum and others came about. And I'll do some more videos talking about specific projects later on. But these are good projects, and I'll show you one more XRP. And the reason I'm showing you these five is because these are most likely going to be accumulated within the United States Treasury as part of the crypto stockpile or crypto reserve for the long haul. So these are great projects. Several of these are American projects, uh, like Solana, Cardano, XRP are American projects, and Bitcoin, of course, uh, was created uh, as the first one. But uh, we obviously want to own that within the United States. We don't know exactly where it was created, but might have been created in the United States. But Bitcoin is a project that we want to own as a country. And Ethereum, of course, is the second biggest crypto project, although it was not created in the United States, but it has a lot of developers here. And so, as far as I'm concerned, I consider it American, although the founder of Ethereum does not live here. He lives in Canada, I believe. Uh, but still, Ethereum is considered the second largest project when it comes to market cap, and it is a project that has uh, the most development activity going on still in terms of sheer number of developers in that space. But XRP, let's look at XRP. I know several folks have invested in XRP, and it was a dead project at one point because the SEC was after them during Gary Gensler's term during the Biden administration. But since those guys have left now under President Trump's administration, we have much better, friendlier crypto people, in the White House and at the SEC. Uh, and so XRP has done well since some of the lawsuits were dropped, and it had a big pump. You can see this pump that took place from here all the way up to here. So 600% pump. It took place just a few months ago. I bet a lot of you guys didn't even know this. So now it has dropped by 52%. So it's a great place to accumulate some XRP as well. Okay, so that's for the crypto projects. So let's go over to the stock market now. So over here, this is the NASDAQ. As you can see, the NASDAQ went up 22,000 and dropped significantly, 25%. And it is hovering around 18,796 right now. It's a big dip, great opportunity to buy some NASDAQ even. S&P 500 went all the way up to 6130 or so, and it has dropped 21%. Big discount, huge discount. So great time to accumulate some S&P 500. S&P 500, if you don't know, are the 500 largest companies in the United States. And many of those companies do business all over the world. NASDAQ has 100 companies in the technology sector. So big companies, big names are in there. And let me also show you the Dow Jones real quick. See, Dow Jones went up to 45,000, dropped by 18%, 19%, It's at 40,521 right now. So all of these indices are at a very good discount, bargain prices for you to accumulate. Let me show you some stocks real quick. Let's look at Apple. Oh, look at the Apple chart. It dropped so much. 35% right now, trading around 200 bucks. So, great area to accumulate. Apple. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon went up to 242, 243. It dropped by 33% almost, and is trading around 183 right now. MicroStrategy, if you all don't know MicroStrategy, they are accumulating Bitcoin, and it's also on a big discount. Another good one to get into. But I mean, if you want to buy Bitcoin, why not just buy Bitcoin instead of MicroStrategy, right? That's how I look at it. So I'm not really into that. I just wanted to show you that it had dropped. It also dropped a lot, 55+%. Let's look at Tesla. Look at the dip on Tesla. It dropped by 55%. Elon's taken a hit, but it's trading at a 252 price, a very good deal on Tesla. Let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia dropped also a lot recently from its local highs, went down 42%. So a great place, 110 bucks. Nvidia also going at bargain prices. Um, so I just wanted to show you all of that. Let me show you one more thing. I'll show you the dollar. So look what's happened to the US dollar. This is the US dollar index. Look at this. It dropped recently, just this all recent, 10%. It has closed below on the weekly candle. It has closed below $100 on the weekly candle. It means dollar is going down. That means crypto and the stock market is going to go up, because when the dollar goes down, it means people are moving their money into risk on assets such as crypto, etc. So that's why I made a video just a few days ago to let you guys know that I'm expecting the bull run to continue and massive swing up in the prices of crypto assets, and I'm expecting the stock market to go up also. So that covers it for today. I'll make some more videos later on uh, about crypto and some more details about it of various projects, and we'll look into some trading aspects as well. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, if you like this type of content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you next time. Thank you.